This is the Spruce charger promo that I made for Fledging. Bringing the product home to shoot it meant I got to experience the product, so I wanted to share.
You've got to start with the customer experience and work backwards to the technology.
Hi, I'm Cian Williams, and I create videos about useful setup and creator tech with the occasional collectible content. If you're new here, it's very probable that you've never seen me before. So I'm not about to sit here and tell you subscribe, hit that smash button, whatever. Only at the end of this video, if you still give a shit, subscribe. Deal? All right. And I'll just be using the promo as B-roll on this one because, you know, we're smart, not hard. With the addition of some shots that I'll use to assist me with a few examples ahead. By the end of the video, I'll have rated this product on more of a usefulness scale, between kinda useless and it's a hell of a product. But simply put, this device, the Spruce charger, essentially eliminates the need for things like power strips and extension cables on or around your desk. For instance, when you set your laptop up on your desk, you don't have to take the charging block back out the bag. You can just take the cable and plug it into the Spruce charger's one of its USB-C slots. And later in the video, we'll go over the voltages of each spot you can charge on the Spruce charger. But first, let's look at how many devices that we can charge on this. For starters, at the top, there's a dual coil wireless pad that adjusts from being flat up to 70 degrees. So it's a Qi charger that utilizes some tech that's better than silicone chargers. So Fledging specifically words this as a high wattage GAN charger with dual coil wireless pad. I'm pretty sure, I think I got it right. What does that mean? It means that on this wireless charging pad, there are two coils, top and bottom, so that positioning isn't a factor. Some of us know that positioning your phone or whatever you're charging in the wrong spot can result in a slower charge or no charge at all. You can wake up and your phone's still on 5%. It's terrible. A smartphone isn't the only thing you can use this for. As long as it can wirelessly charge, you can set it on here for up to a 10-watt charge. Said every night that I remember to, I sit my mouse on top of my desktop Spruce charger to get an overnight charge because there have been days where I've just forgotten and the mouse clocks out on me midday. With this being a 10-watt charger, this is best suitable for your overnight charges, or if you're just sitting at your desk, you might be able to see here from there that my phone is just hanging out just for a passive charge, and I can pick it up when I need to. But now let's talk about the strength of the other four options on the Spruce charger. All three USB-C ports are 100 watts, and the USB-A slot in the back is a 30-watt charger, more capable for like your small devices, like your headphones. Three slots here in the front, your USB-C slots are gonna be where you're gonna plug in your iPad Pros, your Nintendo Switches, your laptops, your MacBooks. And if you have a MacBook Air or just a smaller form factor laptop, you can rest easy knowing that charging your 30 or 45 watt MacBook Air or your 18-watt tablet in one of these isn't gonna like cause any battery damage or make your device explode. That's because, you know, these reliable companies like Apple, Samsung, the Asus, Lenovo's, the HPs, put limits on the wattage that their devices can intake anyhow. So any good reputable charger is not gonna like overpower your device and make it pop. So yeah, you gotta love fail-safes. And the Fledging Spruce out the box does come with a very capable braided cable. And it's worth saying out loud that the charging times that are promised, you're not gonna get those if you're using some trash charger you got from the, gas station, the corner store. Get you a good charger, stop damaging your phones. All right, rant over. You can find very, very detailed information, anything you'd wanna know about any of the options on the Spruce charger on their product listing. They go in major detail about the build of the Spruce charger. And so to wrap this up, this has become at least like top 5 devices that have lived on my desk. I believe the build quality alone of the Spruce charger commands and justifies the price alone, let alone the amount of use it gets at my desk. So I think everyone should click the link below and order the one charger you will not lose because it'll always be parked at your desk. Oh, and also that link down there, there's a discount code. So yeah, did you know my channel saves you money? Depending on what other videos you may watch, You might spend money. So whichever motivates you most, use that motivation to subscribe. All right, until next time, peace.